guys, so today we're going to be cosplaying as Wooloo from Pokemon Sword and Shield. If you don't want to watch me put on foundation, go ahead and go to the time on the screen, but we're going to be going in with a normal skin color foundation, maybe a little lighter than you like, up to you. She is a sheep. And we're just going to put it on with a brush first and just paint your face. Don't be afraid to put on 2 layers. To get rid of those streak marks, we always want to go over it with a wet sponge, either a beauty sponge or one of those white triangle sponges you can find in the cosmetic aisle. Now we're going to go in with concealer. I'm just going to put that under my eyes, on the little bit between my brows, down my nose, and around my mouth. With concealer, the longer you let it set on your face, the thicker it gets. So if you have an extra minute to spare while putting on your concealer, let it set for a little bit and it'll cover your dark spots or dark circles a little bit better. For Wooloo, I want her to be really blushy. So I'm going in with not only my normal blush, but a pink eyeshadow. Now, pink eyeshadows are a little scarier to work with. Blushes are meant to be a little see-through, not too vibrant. Eyeshadows are meant to be vibrant. So be careful when you're blending out a different color as your blush, because it'll be very, very poignant. For bronzer, I really just put it on to give a little bit more color to the face because my face is a little pale. And we're just gonna prime our eyes with something that's a little lighter than your skin tone. Make sure to clean your brushes, kids. So we're going to go in with some nice browns on the outer part of her eye. I do not want to touch the inner part. We're going to be putting some nice little sparkles there. And I don't want any brown to get mixed in. So we're just going to put 2 different types of brown just on the edge of the eye and a little bit underneath. So I'm going in with this NYX pencil. I like it because it's big and thick and sturdy, and it's a lot easier to do a faux cut crease with something like this. It's a little bit easier than using a brush. All I'm doing is doing a half cut crease, so you want to go above, make the circle above where your natural eye would be open, so you can see it when your eyes are relaxed and open. Now, that was more of a gel consistency, or more of a cream, and now we're going to set that with white powder. And then finally, this is one of the favorite things that I own. It's a shimmery white pearlescent Supershock shadow. And oh my goodness, just make sure you clean your finger every time you go in to touch it, or else you're going to make it dirty. So we're just going in just a little bit more. I thought the outer crease needed to be deeper, and you see me regret my life. All you need to do is blend. If you put down a dark color, you just need to blend for a couple minutes, and it can be forgiving. So I finally learned what this is called. It's called tight lining, and all we're doing is putting that where the brown is. So I'm not going into where the white is. Now I'm taking a white eyeliner and putting that on the under ridge of my eye. And we're also going to put it in the waterline. So that includes the shelf directly in front of your eye and then a little bit into your lash line. This helps to make the eyes a lot bigger. You'll see this in anime, kawaii anime tutorials, just to make the eyes look more vibrant. This is one of those looks that doesn't quite come together until you get mascara and lashes on, so you just have to trust the process. For brows, it's almost impossible to get a nice looking white brow without putting a good hour's worth of work into it, so I'm just making it a little darker, maybe more close to a black. For highlight, I'm going in with my natural highlight, and then I'm going in with the sparkly white over top, just to give a little bit of cohesiveness to the rest of the face. For lips, I'm going in with a nice light pink. I decided not to do anything with the upper lip, not to make it any more animal-like. We're just gonna leave it nice and soft. And you can use the exact same thing to do a little cute heart on your nose. So I'm just gonna set that with powder, make sure you don't make it too dark. A little bit of lashes and we're done. Thank you guys so much for watching my Wooloo makeup tutorial. As always, everything that I did is optional. This is just what I like to do and what I feel that my Wooloo is. Now, these guys, they're just made out of yarn. They're a little worse for wear. They've been through a con or two. But if you want to, go ahead and check out our Instagram. I cosplayed as Wooloo and I have a couple cute videos and cute photo shoots that went on. And if you guys like this video, please physically like it and then comment down below if I should do any more Pokemon or if there's any Pokemon that you want to help promote for your own channel down in the comments. I would appreciate it if you guys could subscribe. I do try to post every Friday, either makeup or con related things. And I hope you guys have an absolutely wonderful day. Goodbye.
What do you have?